Alright, so I wanted to make a cooking video, well, because we need content for this channel, and I haven't done much in a few years. So here comes the first episode of Waifu Cooking. Today we're gonna go with something very easy, which is like a flatbread. It's like a pizza, but it's more flat, I guess. I don't know what's the difference. It's probably the ingredients. I don't know. I didn't cook it. It's pretty simple. Well, everything's already prepared. The only thing that remains is to put it in the oven, so it looks like that. It's made with beets and other things. I didn't really looked into what it's made with. The only important part is that it's tasty. It's amazing. Cammy's here. Look at her. She's amazing. But we won't cook her, not yet. Alright, so you put it in the oven, as shown here. Here you go. Be careful not to burn yourself. This oven is pretty old, so I'm probably gonna die of overeating. It's been overeating for like 3 hours. Alright, so let's cook this. Thank you for local girlfriend Kaneko Mimura, featured in Waifu Ready Season 2 for her cooperation to cooking the flatbread. She did her part pretty good. We gave her a 10 out of 10. Do it, girl. I love you, babe. Keep on being yourself. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She knows. She's cute. I like her. She's my friend. We don't sleep together because, well, she likes her intimity, well, her intimate moment. I don't know how you say it. Well, Alright, so let's start off with the days after. It's been in the oven, so that's fine. It's been at 450 degree Fahrenheit 4 hours, so it should be fine. Now, that's still good again. The flatbread's in the middle, oven rack or something. Now baking time is... Hold on a second. Who made this? Is this some kind of joke? That's not funny. Who made this?